Fans have been waiting for 15 years. The all-new 4Runner is finally debuting and the 6th generation model will grace the roads next year. Without further ado, let's delve into the reasons that'll make the 2025 Toyota 4Runner wow everybody. Completely new styling. Year after year, SUV fans were left disappointed with the same old 4Runner returning to showrooms. Finally, the Japanese company turned its attention to its big rigs, and the favorite vehicle for off-road adventures has been redesigned at last. Toyota didn't disappoint, and this is a huge update. Many things have changed, but the 2025 Toyota 4Runner still retains its rugged and aggressive nature. The fresh styling draws inspirations from the new Tacoma truck, but the SUV also brings many unique details. Some similarities can be found when comparing the front fascia to the old version. The addition of plastic under the bumper is a cool upgrade, although most drivers will likely remove it to gain extra space under the front part. Headlights have also been updated. You will love the rugged appearance of the new 4Runner's sides. Firstly, the wheel arches remind old fans of the legendary FJ Cruiser. The square shape is perfect for an off-road SUV. The brake on the lower doors won't affect aerodynamics. Instead, it enhances the aggressive look of the new 4Runner. Also, the rear window now extends up to the roof, creating an image reminiscent of the closed bed of a pickup truck. Changes at the back are modest compared to the rest of the vehicle. The most significant update is the position of the 4Runner badge, which now sits just above the bumper, while Toyota's logo occupies the old position of the vehicle's nameplate. Turbo 4 engine replaces V6. Hybrid is also added. It's hard to determine which changes are more significant, the aesthetic ones or those under the hood. A 4-cylinder engine will power the new 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Old fans may recall a short stint when the SUV used a 2.7-liter 4-pot mill, but it was dropped after only a year of service. The 4Runner wasn't competitive, especially for off-road driving. Since then, a big 4-liter V6 has served as the reliable unit that delivers a smooth ride on and off the road, but we could anticipate it will be replaced. The focus is on efficiency, and Toyota has already swapped some big drivetrains with smaller ones boosted by turbochargers to meet power outputs. Even the legendary Land Cruiser and Tundra truck no longer use V8 mills. In the case of the 2025 4Runner, the 4-liter engine is replaced with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder plant. Instead of 270 horsepower, you will get 278 horsepower. An 8-speed automatic transmission is standard. A manual gearbox is dropped for the new version of the SUV, which is a bit of a disappointment. If you choose 4-wheel drive, you're likely going to test the SUV's off-road capabilities. A 2-speed transfer case with high and low range will enhance performance in tough terrain. Many other features are also helpful for off-road driving, but you're getting even more with a 2025 Toyota 4Runner hybrid. The same 2.4-liter turbo engine lays under the hood, but electric support will enhance the system called iForce Max to deliver 326 horsepower. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate a torque boost even more. Instead of the standard 317 pound-feet, with a hybrid unit, you can count on 456 pound-feet. If fans are worried about the lack of cylinders in the base configuration, a hybrid unit is causing even more discussion. There are novelties in the entire automotive industry, and drivers are slowly accepting electrification. However, such powertrains are great for city cruising, enhancing gas mileage. Off the road, it'll be hard to match the performance of classic big rigs with 6 and 8 cylinders. Smaller and turbocharged petrol units can't do well, even with similar power outputs. Off-road battle: the Trail Hunter versus TRD Pro. You know about the TRD lineup and the TRD Pro as the top-of-the-road configuration, but the carmaker is ready to elevate the game to the next level, but only in certain cases. The new Trail Hunter package was announced a few months ago, but without further details. Many assumed it to be an off-road model, and some fans even thought it would replace the TRD Pro. However, there is one significant difference. TRD is the company's brand. The Toyota Race Development Team delivers unique packages of features that have made the 4Runner and other vehicles using them the best adventure rides in their respective segments. Now the Trail Hunter is drawing even more attention, but there's a catch. It's only available with a hybrid engine. Furthermore, it's not developed by Toyota's team. Plenty of aftermarket upgrades were available for the 4Runner previously. Now the Trail Hunter trim includes ARB and Old Man Emu parts, and the warranty covers these add-ons. The SUV gets underbody protection by ARB, as well as a steel bumper and rock rails. Old Man Emu installs unique suspension, lifting the SUV by 2 inches in the front and 1.5 inches in the back. The TRD Pro still uses Fox shocks. A set of 33-inch Goodyear Territory tires wrap the wheels. The TRD Pro remains unchanged, and according to Toyota's press release, only the hybrid engine will be under the hood of this version as well. It's difficult to determine which of these packages is better for off-road driving. The company sticks to the tougher concept and the ladder frame rather than the unibody platform. The 4Runner is expected to last longer and you can go anywhere with it. Downsides include the cost of maintenance and higher fuel consumption, but once off the road, when you feel the adventure, you will forget about these small issues. Toyota is doing its best to keep up with the competition. The Jeep Wrangler remains the most popular SUV for adventurers, and the Ford Bronco is the one to watch, especially if the company delivers the Raptor Edition for the 2025 model year. The 4Runner was also famous for aftermarket upgrades. Some parts from the previous version will fit the 6th gen SUV, but we're sure new features will arrive soon. Interior changes, accessories, and optional upgrades. Not only is the exterior completely new, but the interior has also undergone a transformation. The cabin is reminiscent of the updated Tacoma truck with some minor refreshments. When we spoke about off-road readiness, even the interior looks indestructible and prepared for rugged tasks. The base version features an 8-inch screen, but buyers will most likely opt for the optional 14-inch display. Toyota now integrates both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay services for smartphone connectivity. While the company initially wanted to avoid these third-party features, they couldn't develop a competitive system to these market leaders. Although Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity are wireless, USB-C ports are also available for device charging. Additionally, higher trim levels offer a wireless charging pad. Similar to the infotainment screen, the driver's gauge is larger on higher-end trims, stretching up to 13 inches. The 2025 4Runner maintains its 3-row layout and seating for 7 persons, but with a hybrid engine, the rear row is removed to place the battery under the cargo area. Expect a lot of special goodies for off-road packages. 2025 Toyota 4Runner trim levels. 9 trim levels are available for the new 2025 Toyota 4Runner. The SR5, TRD Sport, and TRD Sport Premium are using the gas engine only. The hybrid powertrain becomes available as an optional upgrade for the TRD Offroad, TRD Offroad Premium, and Limited trims, while it comes standard in the top-tier packages, Platinum, TRD Pro, and Trail Hunter. The company has praised these top bundles the most, but we'll have to wait for sales to begin to explore all the features offered by the lower trims. For instance, the Premium Platinum package will draw attention with unique black detailing around the body, heated second-row seats, and the addition of a heads-up display. In addition to these upgrades enhancing off-road performance, the Trail Hunter also stands out with a bronze grille and a 20-inch LED light bar. Furthermore, there's a lot of room for customization. You can purchase many parts from Toyota or opt for aftermarket options, though this may cost you warranty coverage. When will 2025 Toyota 4Runner be available? The company has unveiled the major changes and key highlights of the 2025 4Runner, but these goodies are primarily belonging to the top-tier trim levels, which will be available to buyers with deeper pockets. However, even they won't be able to purchase the next-gen SUV right away, as sales are set to begin this fall. This means we'll have to wait a bit more to see all the details. After the redesign, the SUV is about to become more expensive. The estimated starting price is around $43,000 compared to the current MSRP starting at $40,705. Similar to the Tacoma, the hybrid engine upgrade should cost around $3,700. This means that the limited package will start at around $58,000, with top-tier trim levels exceeding $70,000. Off-road enthusiasts will have the choice between the TRD Pro and Trail Hunter models, while an alternative option will be a trim packed with advanced tech gadgets and premium materials, the 4Runner Platinum. Thanks for watching and see you next time.